Good morning everyone. I am Rishikesh Khargeti from class 50. My school name is St. Scott Senior Secondary School. Today I am telling you about MS PowerPoint 2016, about its information and its features. So let's start it. PowerPoint 2016. Today we talk about Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software development by Microsoft. It comes as an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video, and animated special effects. Presentation. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along the graphics around sound and animation. Now slide. A slide is like a page of the PowerPoint presentation that displays some information of a topic. How is a presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation helps us in presenting the views and ideas effectively by creating a good visual program. People in the business world can use it to present information about their products or companies. PowerPoint is an effective tool to present and organize the course contents in the classroom and encourages students' knowledge. Let's know more. The 5 best free animated presentation software are Potown, Google Drive, Presentation, 280 Slides, Slide Rocket, and Prezi. Quick review. To create a shortcut from Microsoft PowerPoint 16, drag it icons from the start menu to the desktop. Now starting PowerPoint 2016. To start the PowerPoint 2016, follow the given steps. The steps are: click on the start, scroll down the PowerPoint 2016. When you open PowerPoint 2016, the start screen appears. Select the blank presentation thumbnail from the screen. A new blank presentation named Presentation 1 will be opened in the presentation window. A quick review. The shortcut to create a new presentation is Ctrl+N key combination. Components of PowerPoint 2016. PowerPoint 2016 consists of the following components. Components are: first, title bar. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Quick access toolbar. It contains the frequently used commands and is placed at the extreme left of the title bar. You can also place this toolbar below the ribbon. To do so, click on the drop arrow at the end of the toolbar. To add more commands to the quick access toolbar, right click on any command on ribbon and click on add to quick access toolbar. Ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of a document. It displays several tabs such as file, home, insert, design, transition, animations, etc. Each tab consists commands which are organized into different groups. Now ruler. The 2 rulers, vertical or horizontal, are located at the top and to the left of the current slide. The ruler makes it easy to align text and object on the text. It is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on the individual slides. Slides navigation pane. The slides navigation pane is a small window. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. If you want to see the large view of any thumbnail, click on the selected line. You can add and delete, duplicate and rearrange slides in the slide navigation pane. Notes pane. It is a place right below the slides area. The notes pane provides add to notes. It is also known as speaker's notes. Comments. In this area, reviewer may leave comment for any leave. View button. The view buttons are displayed towards the left of the zoom control slider on the status bar. You can view the slides in different formats. First, normal. Second, slide sorter. Third, reading view. Fourth, slideshow. Now zoom control slider. To zoom in or out, click and drag the slider to use the zoom control. The number to the right of the slider reacts the zoom percentage. Now PowerPoint 2013. The components of PowerPoint 2013 are similar to PowerPoint 2016. Know the fact. There are two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal. You can move the screen display towards right or left using the horizontal scroll bar. Shift it up and down with the help of vertical scroll bar. Know the fact. Use save as command if you want to save an already existing document again with a new name without deleting the original file. Closing and exiting a presentation. To close the presentation, first click on the File tab. Second, select the Close option. Third, the presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. To exit the presentation, first, click on the Close button on the title bar or use Alt F4. Note, if the changes in the document are not saved, PowerPoint 2016 will promote you to save the changes. You should close a window only after saving it. PowerPoint 2013. We can close and exit the presentation in PowerPoint 13 in the same ways as we do in PowerPoint 2016. Opening a presentation. How to open a presentation? To open a presentation accessing presentation, click on the File tab, select the Open option. The options related to open will display. Click on the Browse button. The Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select the file name to be opened and click on the Open button. Now to PowerPoint 2013, we use the Open option on the File tab to open any file in PowerPoint 2013. Quick View. Pressing the Alt key displays a shortcut key for each. To open any particular tab and its commands, press the Alt key along with the specific shortcut key. For example, Alt plus H key combination opens the Home tab. Now running a presentation. After making slides for your presentation, you can run the presentation using. With this, let you view the slides in progressive on the screen. Here you see on the screen. Quick review. Press Ctrl plus P key combination to print the slides. To view the slideshow from a particular slide, open that slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination. Recap. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays information along with graphics, sound, and animation. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that displays some information related to the topic. The slide pane is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on the individual slides. The slides navigation pane is a small window on the left side of the presentation window. Note pane is a place right below the slides area. It provides space to add notes to the current slides. A new presentation can be created in the following two ways: by using blank presentation, by using templates. By default, a presentation contains only one slide with dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. A slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components. Click on the Start All Apps Word 2016. Create a new document. Select the View tab, then click on the Outline button in the View groups. Type the text. We are typing the text. Now click on Close Outline View button to return to the Print Layout view. Select Types of Software and apply Heading 1 from Styles group on the Home tab. Select Microsoft Word and choose Heading 2. Select Microsoft Excel and apply Heading 3. Similarly, apply Heading 1 on Corel Draw and Heading 2 Corel Photo Paint. Save the file with the name, Types of Software and Access from Microsoft Word. Start PowerPoint and open any existing presentation. Here you see I am right skips publishing word. Click on, you can write other also. Now click on the new slide drop down menu. Select the slides from outline option. The outline dialog box will appear. Browse the location of the Word file types of software. Select the file and click on the open button. Observe that two new slides will get interrupted and display the text in a style which you have. Video clips in PowerPoint 2016. Select the Insert tab. Click on the video drop down arrow in the media group and select the video on my PC option. The Insert video dialog box appear on the screen. Locate and select the desired video file, then click on the Insert option. The Format and Playback tabs appear under the video tools. You can format the interesting video by clicking on the Format tab and clicking various formatting options from it. Click on the play button present either or at the extreme left of the ribbon. The video will start play. The timeline next to the play button will be advanced. Click anywhere on the timeline to jump to any part of the video. In PowerPoint 2016, you can also implement like www.youtube.com to your presentation. You can resize a video by clicking and dragging the corner sizing hanging until the video is of the desired size. To delete a video, select it and then press either a backspace or delete key. Forming file in PowerPoint presentation. Select the slide where you want to add sound. Select the Insert tab and click on the audio drop down arrow in the media group. Choose the audio on my PC option from the menu. The Insert audio dialog box will appear. Locate the audio folder on your computer and select the required file. Click on the Insert button. The audio file will be added to the slide indicated by a speaker. Two additional tabs, namely Format and Playback, appear under the Audio Tool tab on the ribbon. On the Playback tab in the Audio Options groups, select either automatically or on. Click option from the drop-down list. The automatically option will start the sound automatically as soon as the slide appears in slideshow view. Where areas the on click option will play the sound only. When you click the left mouse button to play sound, click on the speaker icon. The play pause tab appear right below the speaker icon. Highly thankful to Ms. Sheetal Chadda for supporting me to make this presentation and for good learning. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks and regards. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep smiling always. Bye bye.